Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the webcam is not working on a Lenovo laptop. So whether it's not detected or just shows a black screen, don't worry, this is actually a very common issue and can usually be solved. So first, check the camera privacy settings. So to do this, simply go to settings, then privacy and security, then select camera. So from here, you're then gonna have to make sure your camera access is turned on and that apps are allowed to use it. Next, you can then check for a physical camera switch or key. So many laptops actually have a camera shutter or a function key that disables the webcam, so make sure it's actually turned on. And if that looks fine, you can also try updating the camera driver. So simply press Windows plus X at the same time, then go to Device Manager, then from here go to Cameras. So you can then right click on your webcam and choose Update Driver. And you can also try uninstalling the camera driver and restarting your laptop. Don't worry, Windows is gonna reinstall it automatically once you restart the PC. So after these steps, your webcam should start working again normally. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.